2 years ago, the Supreme Court overturned Roe v. Wade. The so-called Dobbs decision is still having ripple effects across the country, as well as here in Washington and in Idaho. It's putting a strain on providers as more women are seeking access from other states. Eric Wilkinson with our Seattle station takes a look at what has changed.
Doctors here say they've seen patients from 20 different states, as far away as Texas and Alabama, all coming here for abortions. At the same time, doctors are fleeing states where abortions are effectively banned.
God, we desperately need you to intervene in these lives, the lives of these women.
2 years ago today, anti-abortion advocates celebrated with prayers outside an Everett clinic. Today, the impacts of overturning Roe versus Wade are just starting to be understood.
It truly sends a chill down my spine.
Today, abortion care providers, along with Senator Maria Cantwell, called for a federal law establishing a woman's right to an abortion, telling horror stories of those who've had that right ripped away.
One survivor shared her experience of being sexually assaulted by two men at a frat party in Idaho, where she got pregnant and was unable to terminate the pregnancy. She was denied Plan B, and when she reported the rape, she ultimately had to have her baby and had to give it up for adoption.
Since Dobbs, the number of abortions performed in Washington surged by 18%, many of those patients from out of state. Out of state abortions rose 36% in 2023. The number of patients from neighboring Idaho, which criminalizes abortion, climbed 56%.
I would argue that it's not sustainable for half of the country to be providing care for the other half of the country.
It has a significant strain on our resources in this state, on people's time, clinic visits, hospital beds, etc.
Governor Inslee has earmarked $15 million to help alleviate the pressure on the state's abortion services. This as wait times for Washington women seeking abortions are climbing, some being delayed up to a month. In Idaho, the state has lost 22% of its OBGYNs, creating healthcare deserts, endangering women and the unborn babies anti-abortion politicians are trying to protect.
Women will lose out on access to reproductive care, something that may actually help them keep a pregnancy if they just got the right care.
The U.S. Supreme Court is expected to make a ruling on Idaho's strict abortion ban by Wednesday, certainly having a ripple effect here. In Linwood, Eric Wilkinson, King 5 News.